Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I recreate this clown makeup look. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So starting off with these little crayon makeup pencils, whatever they're called, and I'm gonna just start off with the white shade and outline where I would want the black to go. So right here I'm just outlining where the eyes would be at, and I'm gonna outline the mouth, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do for now. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking that little black crayon and filling it in. I thought this crayon was gonna be way darker, but it wasn't. So it's just a really good base basically for the eyeshadow that I'm gonna apply on top of it. But yeah, honestly, if you recreate this look, just use eyeshadow and don't use these crayons. They really don't work that great. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking that red crayon and I'm just going to be drawing in my nose, filling it in. Now I'm just taking my next black liner pencil, and I'm just going to be outlining the edges so it could look way more sharper and also darker. Alright, so now I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and I'm just taking that black to apply it on top of that black shadow that I have going on. Or I mean that black cream. Sorry. And we're just going right now. At first I was trying to be all nice like and clean about it, but then I just went all messy because after this I just take a makeup remover wipe and I just wipe off any mess that I like got out of the line or whatever. Alright, so now I'm going in my Morphe 35B palette. This palette is discontinued, but this is the only good red color I had as an eyeshadow for the nose, so that's the one I had to use. Alright, so now I'm just going to be cleaning up that extra eyeshadow that got where it wasn't supposed to go, and yeah. Now I'm just taking this cream makeup in the shade white, and I'm just going to be taking that on a foundation brush and applying it everywhere where you see my skin. Obviously where there's no black, yeah, I'm applying it there. And honestly, I would just say go get a white foundation. I know LA Girl has a white foundation that I'm about to go get because this cream makeup works like crap. It cracks everywhere. It's just not good, honestly. I was upset in how it just came out at the end, but I still tried my best, and yeah. But anyways, I'm just right now getting all the big places that this foundation brush can get, and later on I'm just be taking a smaller brush to get in the crevices of right there. Yeah, that's the small brush I'm gonna be taking just to make sure I get that white exactly where I need it to be. Don't want to mess up my black and stuff. Now I'm just gonna set my white makeup with that white powder right there. And yeah, I'm taking it now on a Real Techniques blender because the brush was just not doing it for me. So I'm just picking up way more product with the beauty blender. Now I'm just going back in with my Morphe 35B palette with that red. I'm just gonna be defining more of my nose and just going back in with the black also. That's from the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm just taking some translucent powder to put on top of that black right there. That's just because it seems like in the picture where it's kind of faded right there. And yeah, now I'm just going back in. I'm going in with this blood that I bought at Walmart, 98 cents. And I'm just stripping it where it shows in the picture. And yeah, it's really orange, and I don't know why I wasn't thinking I should have just drawn it out first with like a red shadow and black or purple to make it more darker. But I do go back in, like yes, you see, with this detailed brush and try to define it more. Now I'm just going in with the black shade to make it deeper and applying way more blood on top of that. Here I'm just doodling, you know, just doing a random mess. Right now I'm just putting the little lines where like I crease just to make it look like I'm actually looking mad all the time. But yeah, right there where I was doodling, that's just so I can have some black shadow for the blood that I'm putting on right there. I'm over here trying to drip that blood. But yeah, I'm just applying blood where it shows in a picture and just like extra places also. Now I'm taking this little sponge thing to make it look more real. Like I don't know, this sponge is just like, it works. I just see everyone use it, and that's why I used it. Look at that. It just makes the blood look splattered. That's what it is. Alright, so now I'm just going in with black liner, lining my eyes just to make sure you can't see none of my waterline showing up. And yeah, this is the last thing I do. And wait for it. There we go. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys recreate it. If y'all do, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.